Hi everyone, welcome back to Dash of Annie. Today I'm going to show you how to make an amazing Eggs Benedict with crispy home fries. Whenever I go out for breakfast or brunch, I always order Eggs Benedict because it's not the easiest dish to make at home, especially in the morning when I'm still half awake. For each person you're serving, you'll need 3 eggs, 1 russet potato, 1 onion, 2 mushrooms, 1 English muffin, a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder and onion powder, a 1/2 teaspoon of thyme and rosemary, a 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 2 slices of Canadian bacon, and some fresh chives for garnish. First, let's prep our ingredients. After washing your potato well, cut it into large cubes. Chop your mushrooms into slices. Peel and chop your onion into long, thin slices. Chop your chives into very small pieces. Add your potatoes to a pot. Fill the pot with enough water to cover the potatoes. Sprinkle in some salt and give it a stir. Bring the water to a boil and cook your potatoes until they're a little soft on the inside, but not soft enough to break apart with a fork. Drizzle on some oil, then add garlic powder, onion powder, thyme, rosemary, pepper, and salt. Mix it all together, then air fry it at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes. If you don't have an air fryer, you can just bake it for the same time at the same temperature. Add oil to a pan and bring it to medium-low heat. Add your onions and a sprinkle of salt. Let this cook until caramelized and only stir it every couple of minutes. In the same pan, saute your mushrooms with a sprinkle of salt, pepper, garlic powder, and onion powder. In the other half of the pan, cook your bacon. Next, let's poach our eggs. Bring a pot of water to a boil. When it starts to bubble, add a tablespoon of vinegar. Add each egg in one at a time by stirring the water and pouring in the egg from a bowl. Cook it for 3.5 minutes if you want the yolk to be runny, or for 4 minutes if you want it to be a bit more cooked in the middle. Use a slotted spoon to remove the egg and place it on a paper towel to absorb the extra water. Once your eggs are done, you can use the heat from the boiled water to make your Hollandaise sauce. Lower the heat to medium-low and place the heat-safe bowl on top of the pot. Separate 1 egg and add the yolk to the bowl. Whisk it well, then add your butter. You can cube it up beforehand to make it easier to melt. Keep whisking until your sauce is thickened and add salt to taste. Toast an English muffin and add your bacon, caramelized onions, sauteed mushrooms, poached eggs, and Hollandaise sauce. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika and chives. And now you have a delicious Eggs Benedict with crispy and flavorful home fries. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure you give this video a like and subscribe for more amazing recipes. Let me know in the comments if you gave this recipe a try. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.